Hey there folks, today we're going to be showing you how to use these no-tie screw lock laces. Now you'll have your lace will come with this little screw lock piece here. So you're going to lace your shoe up just the design that you usually do for lacing your shoe. Then you're going to unscrew your caps here. And you want to put them onto the end of your laces. You're going to pull them down to the end.
Look. It's scary.
Next, you're going to tie a knot.
Turtle.
Do the same thing on the other side.
Pineapple. What is this, Mommy? A marker?
Lipstick.
Pardon?
Make sure you pull the knot in so it goes inside the cap. We're going to yank it back out. We're going to cut the end off it right here.
Kuromi. It Kuromi. Look. Look at that.
And grab your lighter, and we're just going to make sure there's no frayed ends here. Just melt the ends a little bit.
Paw Patrol. No!
You screw your caps together,
Look, Mommy. Mommy, look.
and then you put on your shoe, and you no
Mommy,
longer
look.
have to tie your shoelaces.
Mommy,
Nice
look.
and simple.
Look
That's
at
all
the
there is to it,
side.
folks. Hopefully you found it helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look.